Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I just wasn't sure what I wanted to do today, so I think I'm just gonna do a swipe, and I think I'm gonna use all color shifts by Eye Candy. I will let you guys know as I put them down. I've put down my pillow paint, which is Glidden Premium in satin, but it's in a black. All right, let's just start putting some colors down and see what happens.
I don't care if you don't wanna do all the things that I do, that I do. I only wanna be the one who makes you feel so good, so good. I'm trying to figure out where all of the pieces are going to fit, but I stumble in the dark when I am not with you. Baby, I'm going crazy. I wanna be somebody for you that makes your heart run wild. I wanna turn you on, 'cause lately I've been feeling like there's somebody you'd rather hide from. Don't wanna lose, yeah, lose, yeah. I wanna be the one. Don't wanna lose, yeah, lose, yeah. I wanna be the one that makes your heart run wild. I don't mind if you need to figure some things out by yourself, yourself. As long as you're committed to me and not somebody else, somebody else. I'm trying to figure out how to keep it together. I don't understand. No, I stumble in the dark. I don't wanna pressure you, but baby, I am going crazy. I wanna be somebody for you that makes your heart run wild. I wanna turn you on, 'cause lately I've been feeling like there's somebody you'd rather hide from. Don't wanna lose, yeah, lose, yeah. I wanna be the one. Don't wanna lose, yeah, lose, yeah. I wanna be the one that makes your heart run wild. I wanna be the somebody for you that makes your heart run wild. I wanna turn you on, 'cause lately I've been feeling like there's someone you would rather hide from. Don't wanna lose, yeah, lose, yeah. I wanna be the one. Don't wanna lose, yeah, lose, yeah. I wanna be the one that makes your heart run wild. Makes your heart run wild. I wanna be the one that makes your heart run wild.
I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still been said and done. There's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Oh, 'cause something's broken, and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me, without me, without me. have tried, yeah, to become better. But I'd lie again if I said it, it'll last forever. I know I make mistakes, it's just the way I am. That's why you have to know, yeah. There's not a part of me that wants to say no, but I have realized I had to let go, oh, 'cause something's broken, and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me, without me, without me. Oh, oh, oh. Out of all my mistakes, hurting you is the worst. I admit I was wrong. There's only one thing to do, the last thing I wanna do. I know I have to let you go. 'Cause yeah, there's not a part of me that wants to say no, but I have realized I had to let go, oh, 'cause something's broken, and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me, without me, without me.
Okay, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think she turned out really pretty. The color shifts are just unbelievably amazing on this. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and just do a bloom with these same colors after this. So stick with me and I will be back and we'll just do another one. Alright guys, I'm back. I put my pillow paint down. It's the Glidden Premium in Satin. I'm just going to start laying some colors down. I'm going to go with the same ones.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you
Okay, guys, here she is. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think she turned out pretty well. All in all, I like them both. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Love you all to pieces. Up next is Shannon Baxman from ShanB Fluid Art. Amazing artist. After her, we have Sis Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. And then after her, of course, we have our Hippy Dippy Painterman, Tony Pender. So stick with us. We still have more to go. Love you guys. Just catch you guys on the next one. Bye.